Oh, whew. Hot and tired, tired and hot. You too, family. Welcome back, man. What is going on today with everyone, man? Hey, tired, but I'm here, man. It is your boy, Jay the Sneaker Guy, coming at y'all today, man. Fresh from the outdoors, bro. Your boy just got inside from cutting the grass, man. It's hot outside, bro. Hot, hot. So took me a quick shower, man, and I'm still hot, man. Still hot, bro. So cooling down, man. Chilling out here. But your boy got a package. I did put in the description and in the title of this video, so y'all know what y'all gonna be seeing, man. This is a Yeezy 700, bro. This is my first of this kind, the V3, you know what I'm saying? I don't have any V3, so I'm curious to see how they gonna look and how they gonna fit, man. So appreciate y'all for pulling up as usual, man. Hit that like button for your boy, and if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, hey, thank y'all for stopping through. But if y'all want to be a part of what we got going on over here, man, the road to 50K, go ahead and join the family, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, man. It will be greatly appreciated, man. We got a lot of things over here that we be doing, man. You know, we do the lace swaps, we do the vlogging, the regular normal stuff with a little bit of spice on top of it, man. But appreciate y'all for pulling up, and yeah, man, let's go ahead and check out this package, man. So I did pick this package up from GOAT, man. I don't know if quite a few of y'all may have seen my last video, because it did pretty good on the view, and so most of y'all probably saw it. It is the Air Jordan Laser unboxing. It was not in the title, but throughout that video, while I was unboxing it, man, I showed y'all that it did not come with any GOAT tagging or anything, man. So I kind of found it to be weird, as well as my box was like very damaged, man. Go check that video out if you haven't checked it out already, but it was real damaged. And let me just wish good luck on this shoe before I unbox it, that my box is in good condition, because I like my boxes. But let's check it out, man. Pop and open the box. It's looking alright so far. I don't see no dent so far, but we do get our regular brown paper that we normally be getting from GOAT on the top, and bam, we got that 700 box, y'all. So let me go ahead and pull these out. And a quick thing, man, I was watching quite a few unboxing stuff on these shoes, and it said to go half a size up, and I was so quick, man, before I even watched any of the videos about them, I went true to size. So I'm curious to know how these are gonna fit, and I will let you guys know that in a more detailed video. It'll probably be the next video. Well, I'm lying, it ain't gonna be the next video. The next video will be an early look of the Air Jordan 5 Elevates, and then after that we'll probably go on to the biohazard, what them Jordan ones, whatever it is. Them Jordan ones will be after the 5s, and then we'll probably land these somewhere after that, man. I'm behind y'all, just real life things that, you know, hey, gotta take care of priorities. So I got videos coming to y'all, man, so please bear with me, and thank y'all for doing so. But anyway, man, 700 written across the top of the box, as you can see. Taking a look, bam, here at the size tag, it reads Yeezy 700 V3. As I said, y'all, I don't know, will this be a killer? I got the size 9, I went true to size, and the color blocking is, whoa, Arzareth. These are the Arzareth, if I'm saying that right, but that does not say Arzareth, that says something else, but y'all can see it. Check out the size tag, and of course we do get that GOAT sticker up there on top, man. I purchased these on Friday. They didn't ship out till Monday, and today's Wednesday, so 2 days pretty much to get shipped to me, man. So not bad. I did hit instant ship, as I always do, and bruh, this looks to possibly be the same way, because I do not see any GOAT stickers as of right now. But we do get this little packet right here. I think this is some extra laces. I'm pretty sure it is. That's what I've seen on some of the reviews. But let me set this here to the side, open up this paper real quick, and bam, there we go, man. We got the Yeezy 700 V3 Arzareth, man. And just off the bat, just looking at them, bro, they looking all right now. They looking all right, but I do not have any of my GOAT stickers are tagging again, man. And one thing I did notice, you know, from the last the Jordan 3 lasers that I bought, both of these were instant shipped and they both came from Hong Kong. So with that being said, I'm wondering if it's something different, you know, on the Hong Kong end, you know what I'm saying? Like, they do things different, I don't know, but they were both instant shipped and they both came from Hong Kong. DHL delivered them, and nah, they ain't that other stuff that y'all might be thinking about. Everything is good. Like I said, I will be doing my legit checking on top of, you know, what GOAT quote unquote did. But yo man, let's check them out real. Bro, these is nice, bro. They sleek, bro. This is actually my first time seeing a 700 in hand, bro. And bang! These are clean, bro. I like this, man. I like these. So we got the Yeezy Arzareth 700s, or like I said, don't quote me on the way I'm pronouncing that name, but yes, man, these are clean, bro. These are clean. I like the way they got the blue. It's like a ocean, bro. Destin, Florida, beautiful waters. This is a Destin, Florida water blue, man. Very nice blue that you have on these shoes. You know, you got your white midsole. You got your this is like a translucent, but you can't really see through it because, you know, you got your do it have boost on these? Bro, I gotta do a little more before I hit y'all with the on feet. I'm gonna do a little research, y'all, but I'm not sure. I don't think that this shoe does contain boost. But I'll double check that before I give y'all the review. But got your hits yellow on the bottom. And yeah, man, I know this upper part, this little cage area, it does glow in the dark, man. So, you know, decent, man. And these shoes aren't heavy. Like, these are a fairly light shoe, man. You got your lacing system. Can't do nothing with the laces. No lace swaps or nothing like that because, you know, the laces are pretty much locked in there. I would have to cut the laces out, and I ain't about to do all that, man. So, you know, let me take out some of this paper real quick and check them out. Check them out. They do come with, you know, this type of shoe paper or whatnot. You got your Yeezy Ortholite written right down the inside if you can see it. Yep, Yeezy Ortholite with your Adidas logo right there. Dope, bro. These dope, man. You see that blue hit? You see that pretty blue hit, man, from the inside, bro. These are, and it's actually, bro, it's actually translucent because I can actually see through it. Like, this bottom area, I can see through the shoe. Like, that's dope, bro. So, yo, man, hey, these ain't bad, bro. I'ma definitely hit y'all. Let me scoot back some. I'ma definitely be hitting y'all with the review and on feet on these. Just bear with me, y'all. I tell y'all, bro, I be having a lot going on, but I'ma still get this content out to the fam, man. So, yes, man, hey, first looks and thoughts on these are dope, bro. And you can kill these on feet, bro, with the right fits, man. You got that 700, you know, infamous type front hit, but this is sail. So you got pure white on your midsole, but you got like a sail hit on this front toe area, man. So dope, man. I'm just very curious to know how these are going to fit as far as sizing, man. I heard they run kind of snug, so we'll see, man. But also, like I said, if y'all order anything from GOAT, man, and y'all haven't gotten, well, instant ship maybe, and y'all's packages have been delivered from like Hong Kong or something, let me know, have y'all been getting y'all GOAT stickers, man, because this is of recent, bro. It's my last two shoes, my Laser 3s and these. I think I've ordered instant ship. What have I ordered? I've ordered instant ship, like these, my breads. I ordered instant ship on these, and if I remember, they did come from Hong Kong, but I did get my GOAT sticker and verification stuff with these, man. So y'all let me know, man, is that a problem that y'all have ever came across, man? But besides that, bro, these are clean. These are a clean pair of Yeezys, and I'm happy that I pulled the trigger on these, man. I think the prices will increase on these. Like, these are fire in hand, bro. I like these, bro. This is something different, staying in the collection, man. And I don't know, I might grab a few more pairs of these, bro, because they're just different, but they're not just like your regular 350s. And I'm thinking I got my mind set on the OG pair of these, man. But y'all let me know, do y'all have any of these? Are y'all looking forward to, you know, copying any V3s or anything like that? But yes, man, we got that early look of the Air Jordan 5 Elevates or Oregons, man, coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And hit that like button for your boy. And yes, man, we out, man. Quick look at the Yeezy V3 Arzareth, man. So till my next one, man, y'all stay blessed. I'm gone. Peace.
Yeah. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm copping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. 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 Don't want it be, YouTube family. It's all LUV, that's from me to you to me. Yeah, kickin' major flame, how I rocks with it. And cop by 2-3 fits and gotta cop the sauce with it. Hey, riding through the city, snap back or I fit it. If I'm rockin' with it and it's heated, oh let's get it. Kiss so cold and icy, feel so hot and spicy.